Welcome to MH class. Today we'll discuss some questions related to Maxima and Minima. So first question C. A printed page is to have a total area of 80 centimeters square with a margin of 1 centimeter at the top. And each side and a margin of 1.5 centimeter at the bottom. Okay, that means the top is 1 centimeter margin, both side is 1 centimeter margin, but bottom is 1.5 centimeter margin. Clear? What should be the dimension of the page so that the printed area will be maximum? That we need to find out dimension. So if we assume that this length is x, then this will be what? 80 by x, because area is 80 centimeter square. Length of the breadth is area of the rectangle. Generally page is rectangle shape. Okay, so this will be 80 by x. Now what is the area of the length and breadth of the printed part? This length will be what? This complete is x, so this length will be this side 1 centimeter minus this side 1 centimeter, so we'll get x minus 2 centimeter. And this length, what will be the length? This side top is 1 centimeter remove, and the bottom is 1.5 centimeter, that is 2.5 centimeter we have removed. The total length of this printed page is equal to what? 80 by x minus 5. Okay, and let A be the area of the printed part. So if A be the area of the printed part, what will be the area? See, area is length into breadth. That means what? X minus 2 into 80 by x minus 2.5. And if we multiply this, what will get? This is 80 minus 2.5 x. Okay, then minus 160 by x, then what will get? Plus 5. This will get. That means what? 85 minus 2.5x minus 160 by x. This is the area of the printed part. Now we'll use the second derivative test. So dA dx. First find out dA dx. What is dA dx? If we differentiate this, then minus 2.5 minus plus, then 160 by x square. This is dA by dx. Okay, and d square a by dx square, d square a by dx square, what will get? D square a by dx square. This will be 0, then this will be minus 2 into 160, 320 by x cube. This for critical points, we need to find out the critical points. For critical points, dA by dx is equal to 0. Here we need to find out the value of x. So what will get? dA by dx is equal to what? dA by dx is minus 2.5 plus 160 by x square is equal to 0, implies 160 by x square is equal to 2.5. That means x square is equal to 64. X is equal to plus minus 8, but we'll take x not equal to minus 8. The x is equal to 8. Why x not equal to minus 8? Because this is the length, x is the length cannot be negative, so we are getting x is equal to 8. This x is equal to 8. Okay, now at x is equal to 8, what is d square a dx square? At x is equal to 8, d square a dx square, what will get? Minus 320 by 8 go. Automatically it is less than 0. If it is less than 0, that means what? A is maximum. It implies A is maximum at x is equal to 8. A is maximum at x is equal to 8. Therefore dimension of the page are, in this case, dimension of the page are what? 8 centimeter. Dimension is x is 8 centimeter, and 80 by 8 centimeter, that is 10 centimeter. So this is the answer for the first question. Okay. Next, see next question. What is the next question? Let's see the next question. A given rectangular area is to be fenced off. Fenced means give the boundary wall, okay, fencing of in the field whose length lies straight rivers. If no fencing needed along the river, length lies in the river, okay. A field is there, this is a field, and we need to make the fencing, but this side is river is there, this side river is there, this side river, this side river, okay. So we need to fencing this part only, this part, no need to fencing this one, river part, or no need to fencing. But here it is given what? No fencing is needed along the river. Show the least amount of fencing will be required when the length of the field twice its breadth. We need to find out the length of the field is twice the breadth. Length is twice the breadth. Suppose length is x. Let length is equal to x. Therefore, breadth is equal to and area is equal to a. Therefore, breadth we can write what we can write. Breadth is equal to area by x. Again, we are assuming that length of total fencing is equal to small l. Therefore, small l is equal to x plus 2 into a by x. This part we have to, this is x, breadth is, we are assuming that length is x, then breadth is a by x. So this is also a by x. So what will get? X plus twice a by x. Okay. Now differentiate this dl by dx. If we differentiate dl by dx, 1 minus twice a by x square, okay, differentiating with respect to x, but a is equal to what? Again differentiate, second differentiate, d square l by dx square. What will get? D square l by d square minus, this is 4a by x cube, will get 4a by x cube. For maximum minima, for critical points, dl by dx is equal to 0. It implies 1 minus twice a by x square is equal to 0. That is twice a by x square is equal to 1, implies x is equal to root over twice a. Okay, this is x is equal to root over twice a. Therefore, d square l by dx square at x is equal to root over twice a, what will be the value? What will get? Put the values. Oh, this will be what? Minus is there already, so it will be plus. So we'll get 4a by twice a whole cube. Twice a whole cube. That means 4a by 2 root 2. This we can write 2 root 2 a to the power a to the power 3 by 2. 2 root 2 a to the 3 by 2. Automatically it is greater than 0. Okay. So what we can say? L is minimum at x is equal to root over 2a. The fencing required is least when length is is least, therefore fencing required is least when length is equal to, because x we are taking as length is equal to root over twice a. Length is equal to what? Root over twice a. Okay. Now breadth is what? What is breadth? What is breadth? Breadth is a by x. So put a by x, x is equal to root 2a. If you put this one, this we can write half of root twice a. Okay, half of root twice a. Clear? And that is nothing but what? Half into length of the field. Okay, a by root 2a, a by root 2a, what we can write? A by root 2a. A by root 2a is equal to what? This we can write a by root 2, then root 2 is root a. Okay, root 2 into root 2. Here we can rationalize. So if we rationalize it, then in up what will get? Root 2a, and in down will be 2. So half into root 2a. So this is the answer. So in this way you have to solve the questions. I hope all of you understand. If any doubt, let me know. I'll try to my best to give the concept. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.